students, and welcome to your English class. Now, today, behind me on the whiteboard, we have new vocabulary to remember, okay? Well, this vocabulary, we practice it in Kinder 2, but the people that is new in this class, okay, is going to be interesting because it's also important to learn for you. Now, here we have, let's see how many objects we have here, okay? Please help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 new objects. Now let's see one by one each one of them. Let's see, and also let's see colors, sizes, and more characteristics, okay? The first one is called a juice. Now, this is a liquid that you drink, okay? Now, the juice that is here is colored orange, okay? It's an orange juice. Next to the juice, we have a jug. Now, the jug has a small size, is colored yellow, and we use it to put flowers in the jug. Okay, un jarrón. Next to the jug, we have a kite. Okay, now kites are, most of them are small size and have different colors. Okay, they can be purple, green, orange, yellow. They have a lot of colors. Next to the kite, we have a key. Now, keys are very small. They are very tiny. They are like this size, okay? And the keys are important because they open the doors, okay? They open the doors of the houses. Now, we have the key. Next to the key, we have the king, okay? Now, a king wears a big crown on top of his head and has a beard, okay? Now, this is called a king. Let's continue with the log, okay? Now, the log is also important because it's a part of the tree. And what is tree? Let me tell you. This is a tree. So, a log is just a part of it, okay? So, after the log, which is also colored brown, don't forget, next to the log, we have the moon, okay? Now, remember, moons, do they appear in morning or night? Night. They appear in the night. Remember, they are up there. Now, the moon, for the most part, is colored yellow, but if you paint it, you can also use color blue, okay? We have the moon. Next to the moon, we have something that is very delicious, especially for squirrels. Now, squirrel, it's an animal with a big tooth in his mouth, okay? Now, squirrel that is a squirrel. And the squirrels, they eat nuts, okay? This is called a nut. And nuts are color brown and they are very, very small. Next to the nut, we have an animal, okay? And now this animal lives in the sea, in the water, okay? The name of this animal is octopus. An octopus has several arms. These are arms. Octopus has a lot of arms. An octopus, most of them are colored purple, okay? Now, the last object of today. Next to the octopus, we have a fruit, which is also very delicious, okay? And it's also related to this juice, okay? What do they have in common? The fruit is orange, okay? Like the orange juice. Now, the orange here has a circular shape and they are very small, and the color that has it is, of course, color orange. Now, before we finish with the class, let's review one by one. Now, for this occasion, you have to repeat after me, okay? Let's start. Juice, jug, kite, key, king, log, okay, moon, okay, nut, okay, octopus, one more time, octopus, okay, and the last one, it's orange. Excellent, okay? Now, don't forget to practice this new vocabulary in your house with your mother or your father. And we see you next class. Goodbye.